this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Photo in your iMac, MacBook or any other version of Apple computer. If you are using an Android phone and you are using Google Clouds and Google Drive and Google Photo and you want to use them in Mac, is very simple. This tutorial for the beginner guys, you go to any browser. You don't have any dedicated application for Google Photo in Mac, so you go directly to Chrome or Safari, whatever you want. Then go to your Google Photo, type there Google Photo. Here we go. Go inside Google Photo. You see, go to the photo at the corner. Obviously you have to be connected to your Google account. Here, this is my account is connected here with my Google Photo where you have your phone. So whatever you take in your phone, it will appear here. Very simple. For example, this picture of my car I took at my phone, so I can download here. So you see here is this option. Click this one, download. Is downloading. Now I have in my computer, in my iMac. I can put here on desktops, you see. So if you want, for example, you downloaded somewhere in the download folder but you want to see on desktop, you drag them and put there. Very simple. I open here, I have this picture. Now any video, for example a video here, I open this video in Google Photo. I pause this one. I can't drag here, so I put download. Simple. And after downloading, I put here on desktop. So let me open here. You see this video I have on my desktop. So this is very easy tutorial guys, so you can use your Google Photo in your iMac or MacBook Pro. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.